It started with a question. Could I? Should I?
Where can I develop my ability?
My curiosity, my passion.
But here, questions have a habit of getting bigger.
They help us challenge preconceptions
and discover unimagined solutions.
In a place where old meets new.
Don't just repair, but improve the broken.
Make it better, stronger, more adaptable for everyone.
Here, our questions breed collaboration.
And inquiry beats through the heart of our identity.
Where ideas multiply at a boundless rate.
And one moment can change your thoughts on fate.
Where quickly, our questions become remarkable.
Because we could change the world.
Or answer the unanswerable.
What we ask here has a global impact.
We facilitate, develop, expand, and interact.
We build and create better communities.
And fight everywhere for greater equality.
We question and challenge what was once thought impossible.
In a place where friendships last beyond the probable.
Forever connected through the why, not the what.
Pushing boundaries, defending expression of thought.
Continuing forward to challenge convention.
And always together.
We ask the unexpected question.